Hey guys, it's Glenn from Glenn's Car Collection. In today's video, we are looking at a mint green 2024 GT3. And this is not just any 2024 GT3 besides being mint, and I love this color. It has buckets and a manual transmission. How cool is that? So this is paint to sample, which Porsche charges an arm and a leg for. I'm running low on memory on my phone, so when this video kind of gives out, I'm just going to post it up. So we're probably not going to have a long video here. But this is a paint to sample, and my friend bought it off the lot. He didn't even order it. So it's got ceramic brakes. It's spec'd out perfectly. Ceramic brakes. It's a GT3, so you get the center lock wheels. You got the naturally aspirated engine. High revving, 9,000 RPM car. And if you've ever driven a GT3, I have videos of a GT3. I've never driven a 992 manual. You'll see videos on the channel where I did a 992 PDK, but haven't driven the manual. Now, if you drive the turbo cars, you may think this car is a little bit slow, but you know what? Who cares? You got a naturally aspirated engine, and the GT3 is just so nimble. It's just an unbelievable car. You got the buckets. Of course, there's no back seat. And I would take this over a GT3